Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ambo susun jari nan 10, ambo takukan kepalo kanan 1, tahun jam lutuk nan 2, tahun tua ni niat mama sarato hadirin kesadonyo.
When I saw you standing there, when we began, I couldn't find a single regret. We could write an endless story through the struggle and the glory. By your side, I will stay. We will never fade away.
Saya terima menikahi Stevi Olivia Padriani, anak kandung Bapak, dengan maharnya seperangkat alat sholat dan perhiasan emas 20 gram dibayar tunai karena Allah.
We will never fade away.